This quiz has been prepared on the chapter corrosion based on previous year's questions. Solve the following problem. Problem is draw the flow chart depicting the types of corrosion. What is the answer? Here is the answer. This slide is depicting the flow chart of various types of corrosion. Second question. What are the theories of corrosion? What will be your answer? So, answer is there are two theories of corrosion, dry or chemical corrosion. It is rare process and it falls into three types: oxidation corrosion, corrosion by other gases and liquid metal. So discuss these types in detail. Another theory is wet or electrochemical corrosion. It is more common than dry process. So there are two theories to explain wet corrosion: hydrogen evolution and oxygen absorption type. Explain these theories as discussed in previous lecture classes. Identify the mechanism with the following. Identify anodic area, cathodic area, nature of the conducting media, reaction at anodic part, reaction at cathodic part, what will be the overall reaction, and what is the corrosion product in this corrosion. Identify the mechanism with the following cell diagram. Here the cell diagram is depicted. Identify anodic area, cathodic area, nature of conducting medium, reaction at cathodic area, reaction at anodic area, overall reaction. What is the corrosion product? So what is the mechanism? That will be your answer. Types of electrochemical corrosion. In electrochemical corrosion, various theories were discussed. Examples are galvanic corrosion, concentration cell corrosion. Under this corrosion, it has four types: waterline, drop, pitting and crevice corrosion. Third type is stress corrosion. Examples of stress corrosion are seasons cracking and caustic embrittlement. All these electrochemical theories based on hydrogen evolution and oxygen absorption were discussed in detail with the following examples. Thank you.